Rainy season, my favorite season. My favorite season is rainy season. It comes after the hottest summer season. In India, rainy season begins in the month of June and lasts until September. This season is also known as monsoon or wet season. We experience heavy rainfall and sky is filled with clouds. We can see rainbows during the season. Children loves to play in the rain and make paper boats during the season. Rainy season is the most pleasant and prosperous season. It makes the environment cool, green and beautiful. Ponds, rivers, lakes, and other water streams are filled with water during the season. I love rainy season very much.